Hi, my name is Amanda and I'm the Program Director for KIDDO. Today I'm going to show you how to add and manage students. After you've added your classrooms, set up your staff, the next thing you need to do is add your students. Doing this allows you to use the assessment tool, produce automated percentile rankings, generate reports, and give access to families to KIDDO's Parent Hub. Okay, so let's get started. So of course, you'll need to be logged in and in your dashboard first. Then click on the cog icon. This takes you to your management menu. Then click on Students. This is where you can add students, import students if you have a large number to add to your website, and manage students. First, let's add a student. Here, you just need to add their first name, their surname, choose which classroom they belong in, their gender, and their date of birth. This is the only information you're required to add. If you'd like to, and have consent from the parents, you can add the parent guardian details. Once you add the parents, they'll receive an invite to access their child's KIDDO Parent Hub. Simply click Save. This student has now been added to their classroom. If you have multiple students to add, you may want to use our time-saving Import Students function. Click on Import Students. Click on Example Template to download the template needed to add the student information to. You can see here there's a template full of example student information. The first thing you need to do is make the date of birth column a bit wider so you can see the numbers. I then like to delete all the information apart from the top two rows. You must keep the top row with the headings, otherwise the import won't work. I like to keep the second row there for the time being so I can see how the information should be presented. Now you may have exported your student information from your student management software at your school. You can then copy this across. So your student information may look something like this on an Excel spreadsheet. Make sure it's in the right format and the columns are in the right order. You can then copy this information and pop it in your import template. If the dates of birth are not in the right format, here you can see they are, but if they're not, you can then highlight these. Right-click and go down to Format Cells. Select Date and then choose the format you'd like them to be in. As you can see, again, you don't need to enter the parent or guardian information. This is only optional. Remember, as soon as you add a parent's email address, they will receive an invite to access their child's Parent Hub. Save that spreadsheet, then go back to the KIDDO website, choose where your file is, select Open, select which classroom you'd like them to be imported into, and press Submit. This then imports those students very simply into that classroom. If you already have your students set up from previous years, there is no need to re-import them. You can simply move them into their new classrooms for the school year once you've set those classrooms up. To do that, select the classroom which the students are coming from, select Apply. If you'd like to choose all the students in that class, click the box at the top and that will select them all. If only a smaller number of students are going to the new classroom, select those students. Click on Change Classroom, then select which classroom you'd like them to go to. Click on Move. These students are now in this new classroom for the new school year. A really simple way to get your classes and your students set up for the new school year. Okay, so that's how you add students. Go ahead and have a go. Once you've mastered that, you can then use the assessment tool, get automated percentile rankings, generate reports, and add parents to the Kiddo's Parent Hub. You can find the how-to videos for these in the support section of the Kiddo website.